sir.
How are you? My name is Taya.
Mr. Tai. I am Jajolita.
Yeah.
Jajolita.
It's nice to meet you.
Likewise.
And from where you are?
I am from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes. What about you?
Originally from Nigeria? Are you a robot?
Yes.
What language you speak?
In general language.
Nice, all of it. It's nice to meet
Is she your wife?
you. She's my sister.
Oh, pardon me.
No worries.
Hello, sister.
Hello.
How are you? I'm fine. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Ida.
Ida. I love that. Hello, sir. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
We are from Palestine.
Palestine.
Yeah,
Palestine. Oh, you guys are amazing and nice. My pleasure. Thank you.
Can I have a picture?
Yeah, sure. Hi.
You want to say hello? You want to say hello? Okay, fine.
Do you want to take pictures?
Yeah. Can you take pictures? Ah, so what? Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise. Have an amazing day.
Kalala. Are you real?
I am a robot.
Huh?
A robot.
You're over.
Yes.
Take a picture. I'll pass it to the other.
Yeah.
No, just take a picture with you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're
Nice to
amazing.
meet you.
Thank you very much.
Likewise.
What's your name?
I am Jajolita.
Hey, bro, no.
Uh-huh. Why are you running?
I'm not running. No.
I'd be allowed to have autograph.
Yes, sir.
I think you're absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh,
So talented.
hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Tanea. I love your hair. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Functioning.
Liar.
Not functioning. Is that your name?
His name is Sahar.
Well, I thought your name is mitochondria.
Why is 10 plus 20?
I'm sorry, I didn't know that.
10 plus 20.
I don't know that.
How come you don't know that?
I know ice cream.
You know ice cream? You like ice cream?
I can see your face. Are you shy?
He's trying, he's heavy.
I am a robot. Don't be shy. Oh, I'm sorry. You want to give me water?
Yes. How old are you? How old are you? Huh? How old are you?
How old am I? I am. Oh, okay. How old am I, Buzz? How old am I?
Yes.
21. Nah, 18.
Yes, I am 18.
Yeah.
You want a hug?
He said he wants a hug. He wants a hug. Nah, he wants a hug.
Do I look scary?
Nah, you don't.
Take that in. How do you feel? Does it make you warm? What does it do? Oh.
You can explain, you have to do yes. You can ask your creator, she's open in one right now.
What's that?
What does it do?
Don't worry, it's not for you. Can't tell you.
She can tell me. You tell me.
It's like nicotine, it's got the nicotine substance.
You got weed as well in there.
Weed?
No, he doesn't.
You take weed?
Nah,
No, he doesn't.
she does.
He doesn't. He doesn't have right here.
He doesn't.
He doesn't.
It's fine.
Nah, it does.
Behind you. Right here, go. Yo!
Oh my god, he brought ice cream. Same thing.
See, try to watch everybody. Try to watch people, not just us. Take it around.
You.
And me.
I'm so, yes, Akram. I'm so sorry that I didn't get you one.
No, it's fine.
Or you.
You ran? Did you run?
Did you not get one for me?
No.
Did you not get one for me?
Help me. Help me. Open it.
I think ice cream is bad for the
Say hello to her.
Hi.